welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the emotions from the textual data by using the Python, text to emotion library. So this is the all the code of extracting the emotion from the tweets uh, by using the text to emotion Python library, and this code is mentioned in video description link, so you can just copy it, go to that link and copy and paste this code. So first of all, you need to install the two Python libraries. The first library is text to emotions. I have already installed both of these, so therefore I import the text to emotions as abbreviation as TE and import the pandas and its abbreviation is PD. Okay, so our code execution will start from here. First of all, this is my CSV file that contains the tweets. If I go to that specific CSV file, here you can see that inside the text attribute we have the all the tweets data. Okay, the first tweet is like this one, the second tweet is this, and third, and so on. Okay, so we will apply the emotions analysis on the text attribute. So go back to the code here. After by using the panda, we read our CSV file and we saved it inside the data file variable. And here we create a new column and name it emotion underscore text to emotions. And by using the text attribute of the CSV file that contains all the tweets data through the apply method, okay, we create a new method and its name is emotion detection text to emotion. And whenever for each individual tweet it will call this method, and when we are inside this method it means that here x represent the each individual tweet. So first of all, when this code execution, then this tweets basically will comes inside this variable that is x. So hope you can understand. So inside this method, first of all, by using the text to emotion Python library, we get the emotions from the each individual text or tweet and saved it inside the all emotion values. Okay. For example, here, if I print the and exec the code execution, and if I print this one, then you will see that when first tweet, what is the emotion inside the first tweet. Okay, so if I run this code, it will take some time while execution this one. Okay, the code is still execution, and here you can see that basically by using the get emotions method, it shows me all the different type of emotion with their uh, basically with their percentage. Okay, so the angry is 0.0, the happiness is 0.0, here is the surprise factor that is zero point 0.1, the sad is 0.3, and the fear is zero point 0.6. So this is basically the emotion and with their score. So the next challenge is how we can get from this dictionary the topmost basically emotion. For example, in this row, this the topmost emotion is fear. So the task is we only return the fear. Okay, we only want to return the fear. Whatever the highest most emotion based on their score, we only want the only return that emotion. For this one, here we code, if I execute if I basically delete this one, here we code this one for getting the maximum value out of this dictionary. Okay, and it will return us the maximum value. For example, for this tweet it will return us the fear. Okay, so whatever we have returned from the emotion, we saved it inside a new column or attribute that is emotion underscore text. And after execution all the rows, we save the file as an CSV, or you can also as an Excel file. Okay, and we by using the data file that to CSV method or to Excel method, we can save the resulted file to any location we want. So this is how you can apply the text to emotions in Python for detection the emotion from the textual data. So this code is mentioned in video description. You can copy and paste this code by going to that specific link. So hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.